Hello students, myself Dipti. Today our topic is Microsoft Excel. It is very beneficial for BCA students. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet that allows us to enter, analysis and manage our data. It provides built-in features, tools such as formula, functions and data analysis to work quickly with large amount of data. In Excel file is called workbook. It contains multiple worksheets. Microsoft Excel contains workbooks which store information in worksheets. Worksheet contains 16384 columns, 104857 is 76 rows. Microsoft Introduction to MS Excel. Excel is a computer program used to create electronic spreadsheet. Within an Excel, user can organize data, create chart and perform calculation. Excel is a convenient program because it allows user to create large spreadsheets, reference information. It allows for better storage of information. Excel operates like other Microsoft Office programs that has many of the same functions, shortcut of other MS programs. What are the view of Excel? The Microsoft Excel consists of workbook. Within each workbook, there is an infinite number of worksheets. Each worksheet contains columns and rows. Columns are 16384 columns and 104856 rows. Where a column and row intersect is called cell. For example, cell D5 is located where column D and row 5 meet. The tab at the bottom of the screen represents different worksheets within a workbook. You can use the scrolling button on the left to bring other worksheets into view. This is your Office button. New, open, save as, print, new. To open new workbook, it's a shortcut key Ctrl plus N. Open to existing document Ctrl plus O. Save to save a document Ctrl plus S. Save as to save a copy document F12. It's a function key. Print to print a document Ctrl plus P. Prepare to prepare a document for distribution. Send to send a copy of document to other people. Publish to distribute document to other people. Close to close a document. Its shortcut key Ctrl plus W. This is your ribbon. The three parts of ribbons are first of tabs, groups. Tabs, there are 7 tabs across the top of the Excel window. Groups are the set of related commands displayed on tabs. Command is a button, a menu or a box where you enter the information. Then, working with cells. First of all, to cut and paste cell contents. Select the cell or cells you wish to cut. Awesome. हमने इसको कट कर दिया. Click the cut command in the clipboard group on the home tab. Select the cell or cells where you want to paste the information. Click the paste command. The cut information will be removed and now appear in the new cells. Then formatting text. How to format text? To format text in bold, italic or underline. Click a cell to select it or drag your cursor over the text in the formula bar to select it. Click the bold, italic or underline commands. To change the font style, select the cell or cells you want to format. Left click the drop down arrow next to font style box on the home tab. Select a font style from the list. Next topic is formatting text. To change the font size. How to change the font size? Select the cell or cells you want to format. Left click the drop down arrow next to the font size box on the home tab. Select a font size from the list. To add a border. How to add a border? First of all, select the cell or cells you want to format. Click the drop down arrow next to the border command on the home tab. A menu will appear with border options. Then conditional formatting. To apply conditional formatting, first of all select the cells you would like to format. Select the home tab. locate the style group, click the conditional formatting command. A menu will appear with your formatting option. To remove conditional formatting, click the conditional formatting command. Select the clear rules. Choose to clear rules from the entire worksheet or the selected cells. To insert row and column, this is your insert cells, insert sheet rows, insert sheet columns, insert sheet. Note, the new row always appear above the selected row. The new column always appear to the left the selected column. To insert row, select the row below where you want the new row to appear. Click the insert command in the cells group on the home tab. The row will appear. To insert columns, select the column to the right of where you want to column to appear. Click the insert command in the cells group on the home tab. The column will appear. Editing fill. In the lower right hand corner of the active cell is access fill handle. When you hold your mouse over the top of it, your cursor will turn to a crossbar. If you have just one cell selected, if you click and drag to fill, start the drag to fill down a column or across a row, it will copy that number or text to each of the other cells. Then if you have two cells selected, Excel will fill in a series. It will complete the pattern. For example, if you put 4 and 8 in two cells, select. Then click and drag the file handle. Excel will continue that pattern with 12, 16, 20, etc. Excel can also fill series of dates, time, date of the week and month. Then functions. What are the main functions of Excel? Mainly हम Excel में functions करते हैं. जितने भी functions हैं हमारे calculations है वो सारे हमारे इसमें होते हैं. Date if function. First of all, syntax of diff. Date if start, date, and date and interval. First of all, start date. Date from which you want to calculate difference. And date. Date up to which you want to calculate difference. And interval form in which you want to calculate difference. Thus says that I am 19 years, 6 months and 18 days old. D for days, M for month, Y for years, YM months over year and MD days over month. देखो, my days of the birth, 2 days date, number of days, date if B1, B2, 7141. Number of days, date if, number of years, month of the year, date over the month. Then sum if function. Syntax of sum if. Sum if range criteria sum range. What is range? Range of cells on which conditions are applied. Conditions are applied. जो भी आपने conditions apply कर रखी हैं उसके लिए हम range को select करेंगे. Then criteria. Conditions that define which cells or cells will be added. Then sum range, actual cells to sum. Note, if sum range is not used, then range is used to sum. Without sum range and with sum range. Then if function. Syntax of if logical text, value if true, values fast. Logical text, any value or expression that can be evaluated it's true or false. Value if, value that is returned if logical text is true. Value that is returned if logical text is false. Then first of all functions. If value is false, any value of expression that can be evaluated or true or false. Value if true. अगर वो true है, value that is returned if logical text is true. And value if false, value that is returned if logical text is false. In column B, different conditions are used and based on this column C and different results are shown. What are the shortcut keys of MS Excel? First of all, added the active cell. If you work, then active cell. You are shortcut key or function key F2. If you create a chart, then your shortcut key F11. Insert cell commands Shift plus F2. function dialog box, shift plus F3, insert a new worksheet, shift plus F11, name manager dialog box, control plus F3, visual basic editor, alt plus F11, macro dialog box, alt plus F8, hide the selected column, control plus O, unhide the columns, control plus shift plus O, hide the selected row, only hide the selected row, then control plus 9, unhide the row, control plus shift plus 9. Then select all cells with command, control plus shift plus O. This is your shortcut keys. F2, F11, shift plus F2, shift plus F3, shift plus F11, control plus F3, alt plus F11, alt plus F8, control plus O, control plus shift, control plus 9, control plus shift plus 9, control plus shift O. This is your shortcut keys. All are shortcut keys. Then down fill, control plus D, right fill, control plus R, enter some functions in a cell, alt plus equal to, euro symbol, alt plus 0128, center symbol, alt plus 0162, pound symbol, alt plus 163, yen symbol, alt plus 165, enter new line in active cells, alt plus enter. This is all our shortcut key, control D plus D, control plus R, alt plus equal to, alt plus 0128, euro symbol, control alt plus 162, alt plus 163, yen symbol, alt plus 165. Then enter new line in an active cell, alt plus enter. Then open the new line. Then current date, control plus, control time, control plus shift, show formula. If you show formula, any formula, any condition, control plus, select entire column, full of, select entire column, control plus spacebar, select entire row, shift plus spacebar. This is our shortcut keys of MS Word features. MS Word में workbook and worksheets. Workbook, it is like a notebook that has a number of pages in it. Each workbook consists of several worksheets. Results are accurate, big size, formatted, built-in functions, built-in mathematics functions. These are called shortcut keys. Downfill, control plus D, right fill, control plus R, euro symbol, cent symbol, pound symbol. These are the symbols. उसके लिए हमारे पास कुछ कोड्स है, alt plus 0128, alt plus 162, alt plus 163. These are the shortcut keys. Thank you very much.